Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss tense. Now what is a tense? Tense is a verb based method that shows if something happened in past, present or future. Tense tells us the time of the action. Now important point to note here is we can tell the tense of a sentence with the help of verbs. Verbs play an important role in telling the tense of a sentence. We will discuss verbs in detail separately. There are three types of tense: past, present and future. These each type of tense are further subdivided into four types: simple indefinite, perfect, continuous, perfect continuous. Let's discuss the subtypes with the help of examples first. Number 1, indefinite or simple tenses. Indefinite or simple tenses are the tenses of a verb that shows when something happened, that is past, present or future. These tenses do not include helping verbs such as is, am, are, was, were with main verbs. Example, I jump is the example of simple present tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like मैं कूदती हूँ. Second example, I jumped. This is the example of simple past tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like this: मैं कूदी थी या मैं कूदती थी. Third example, I will jump. This is the example of simple future tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like मैं कूदूंगी. I am just giving a small overview to the subtypes of the three tenses so that when we discuss each type of tense in detail, you have more clear view. Number 2, perfect tense. Perfect tenses show actions already completed or completely done in the past, present or future. Verb phrase consists of has, have or had as helping verbs with a verb in past participle form. Example number 1, I have completed the work. This is the example of present perfect tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like मैंने काम खत्म कर लिया है. Second example, I had completed the work. This is the example of past perfect tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like मैंने काम खत्म कर लिया था. Third example, I will have completed the work. This is the example of future perfect tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like मैं काम खत्म कर लूँगी. Continuous tense. The verb in continuous tense indicates an ongoing or incomplete action in the past, present or future. It includes helping verbs such as is, am, are, was, were in present and past tense. It includes helping verb will in the future tense. Example, she is studying. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like वह पढ़ रही है. This is the example of present continuous tense. Second example, she was studying. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like वह पढ़ रही थी. This is example of past continuous tense. Third example, she will study. This is the example of future continuous tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like वह पढ़ेगी. Number 4, perfect continuous tense. The verb in a perfect continuous tense indicates an action started in the past or present and will be continued and completed in the past, present or future. Have been, has been, had been, will have been is added with the main verb as helping verb. Example number 1, she has been playing since morning. This is the example of present perfect continuous tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like this: वह सुबह से खेले जा रही है. Second example, she had been playing since morning. This is the example of past perfect continuous tense. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like this: वह सुबह से खेले जा रही थी. Third example, she will have been playing since morning. If I say it in Hindi, I can say it like this: वह सुबह से खेले जा रही होगी. This is the example of future perfect continuous tense. I hope you got an overview of subtypes of subtypes of each type of tense. We will discuss each type of tense in detail in the upcoming videos. Till then, please subscribe and keep learning.